Hi guys, welcome to the session. My name is Prakash, math tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A given sum of first 20 terms of an arithmetic progression is minus 240 and the first term is 7. Let's say first term is 8 is equals to 7 and the sum of first 20 terms, which is S20, is minus 240. We are supposed to find the 24th term, which is A24th. The first we need to find the common difference for this. So use sum of n terms formula. Sum of n terms formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S20 is given, so let's say n is equals to 20. So now for sum of first 20 terms is given, so S20 is equals to 20 divided by 2 into 2 into a is the first term, which is 7, so 2 into 7 plus 20 minus 1 into d. So S20 value is given, which is minus 240 is equals to 10 into 14 plus 19d. Now divide 10 on both sides, so we'll get minus 240 divided by 10 becomes minus 24. So minus 24 is equals to 14 plus 19d. Now subtract 14 on both sides. So if we do that, minus 24 minus 14 becomes minus 38. Yeah, so minus 38 is equals to 19d and d is equals to minus 38 divided by 19. So which is nothing but the d value is 2. So d is the common difference of AP here. So the common difference is minus 2. Now find the 24th term. So how to find the 24th term? We just need to use nth term formula, which is an formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the nth term formula, where a is the first term and d is the common difference, n is the number of terms. So which term you need to find? So we are supposed to find the 24th term, so A24. So 7 plus 24 minus 1 into minus 2. So A24 is equals to 7 plus 23 into minus 2. 23 times of minus 2 is minus 46. So A24 is equals to 7 minus 46. 7 minus 46 becomes minus 39. So we can conclude that the 24th term of the arithmetic progression is minus 39. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.